Welcome back to the Business Automation Podcast, Igniting Innovation in 3 Minutes. I'm your host, Greg Dawson. Today we're unpacking streamlined customer onboarding processes and how automation can be a game changer for businesses. The customer onboarding process can be a tricky yet rewarding phase in the customer journey. It's the initial phase where a customer interacts with your product or service, and the experience they have during this period can dictate whether they continue their relationship with your business or jump ship to a competitor. While it's a critical aspect of the customer lifecycle, manual onboarding processes can often be repetitive and resource intensive. This is where automation shines brightly. Imagine the moment a new customer signs up for your service on your website. Instead of a manual trigger, an automation tool such as HubSpot or Intercom springs into action. Instantly, it sends a welcome email that not only greets the customer, but also gives them an overview of your service's key features. But the magic doesn't stop there. As the customer continues to interact with your service, the tool sends a series of personalized emails over the following days. Each of these communications is timed perfectly and contains resources like tutorials or tips. The content in these emails is determined by the customer's interactions with your service, ensuring they are relevant and offer real value. Simultaneously, the tool keeps a watchful eye on the customer's usage patterns on the back end. It captures essential data points that can help you understand how the customer is using your service, where they might be encountering difficulties, or what features they are most attracted to. If the customer seems to be struggling, the system can proactively trigger assistance, whether it's an email with suggested solutions or a prompt for a customer service representative to step in. A tool like Intercom might also include automated chatbots that can offer immediate support, answering common questions or directing the customer to the most relevant resources. This type of preemptive service not only impresses the customer, but also reduces the burden on your customer support team. However, implementing such an automated onboarding process isn't a walk in the park. It requires a keen understanding of your customers and their needs, a clear mapping of their journey with your product or service, and the design and execution of an automation strategy that fits into this framework. You have to ensure the automation tool delivers value without becoming intrusive or overwhelming. The key to a successful automation strategy lies in choosing the right tools. HubSpot and Intercom are excellent choices, but there are other options in the market as well, like UserLane or ChurnZero. Each tool has its strengths, and your choice would depend on your specific requirements and the nature of your business. In conclusion, automation, when done right, can considerably streamline your customer onboarding process, ensuring every customer feels valued and cared for, while also reducing manual work and optimizing resources. So, if you're looking to improve customer satisfaction and retention, why not start exploring automation today? Thanks for tuning into the Business Automation Podcast, Igniting Innovation in 3 Minutes. This is your host, Greg Dawson, and I hope you'll join us again as we delve into optimizing supply chain with automation in our next episode. Until then, stay innovative. In full transparency, AI was used as a tool to generate both the content for this episode and the simulated voice clone of Greg Dawson's voice. Always fact check and seek multiple sources to verify any claims made during this episode or any other.